click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android and Christian. In this video I will talk about the Nokia 6. So let's watch. So friends, the Nokia 6, which is the first Nokia Android smartphone launched with Android Nougat out of the box, then got Android Audio last year. And now if we talk about the latest news, so friends, this device is now getting Android Pie update. The update is available worldwide. Also, the CEO of HMD Global has posted a video about the history of Nokia 6 on Twitter. The update file size is about 1.7 GB or a little bit different in other countries. This update comes with February security patch and a lot of new features like new navigation buttons, new setting menu, new notification style, the most common and a great feature adaptive battery, and also the Digit Well-being app that helps you focus on what matters most to you. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.